procedure that leads to discovery of the root solution of a problem or whatever is seen to be discovered. So, di ba, sa mapapansin natin is sunod-sunod yung paggawa natin ng research. May chapter 1 to hanggang 5. So, yun yung tinatawag natin na procedure ng research. Next is, research is control. Research is empirical. All the procedures employed and the data gathered are perceived in the same manner by all observers. So, yung pagganda ka natin ng isang research, di ba, pag mag-evidence na tayo, kailangan is yung time na binigay sa atin is bago dumating yung isang panelist, dapat andun na tayo, hindi yung panelist pa yung maghihintay sa atin. Research is analytical. There is critical analysis of all data so that there is no error in their interpretation. So lahat ng data na ilalagay sa research ay pinag-iisipan dapat efficient siya at saka effective. Research is objective and logical. So all findings and conclusions are logically based on empirical data and no effort is made to alter the results of the research. So finding and conclusions are always based on the data that we get during surveys. Walang babaguhin yung data na ilalagay natin doon o yung result doon sa data na makukuha natin doon sa research. So kung hindi tugma yung kakahinatnan ng research, kung ano yung result, yun yung dapat nating panindigan naman. Research employs hypotheses. This is to guide the investigation process in experimental studies. Hypotheses are expressly stated but in descriptive studies. The specific sub-problems or specific questions serve as the hypothesis and the hypotheses are tested and proved. So, dapat na-brief out mo yung problem na mangyayari doon sa research mo, assumption mo about doon sa research. Research employ quantitative or statistical method. Statistical or numerical basis siya. So, gumagamit ng different formulas depende sa isa-suggest ng statistician natin in order to measure kung meron bang significance sa isang variables. Sa mga different variables. Research is original work. Historical research data are gathered from primary sources or first-hand sources and not from secondary sources. So yung research is original work. Kung yung sariling mismong gawa natin, hindi natin pwedeng kunin lamang yun kung saan-saan o kaya naman kukuha tayo ng research ng iba para yun na lang i-present natin. Hindi. Kaya kailangan is yung sariling mismo nating gawa yung gagawin nating research. Research is a patient and unheard activity. A research curiously that due to racing against time may lead to incorrect findings, shaky and tricky conclusion. So, yung isang research is mausisa siya. Dapat hindi minamadali kasi pag nagkamali yung findings, magkakaroon ng magulong conclusions. Next is research requires effort-making capacity. No research can be conducted without expression of much effort. No one without effort-making capacity can conduct a research because research involves much work and time. So, dapat yung paggawa natin ng isang research is hindi natin minamadali. So, kailangan natin mag-effort sa paggawa ng isang research kasi pwede pag minadali natin yung isang research, pwede tayong magkamali. So, uulitin na naman natin yung isang research na ginawa natin. So, kailangan natin mag-effort sa paggawa ng isang research. Research requires courage. So, research requires courage because the researcher oftentimes undergo hazards, discomforts, and the like. At times, researcher encounters public and social disapproval. Also, the discouragement with colleagues may arise. So, madaming pagdadaanan yung pag-conduct ng isang research. May mga negative na mangyayari like, kunwari, yung isang, yung teacher, diba, yung pagpapachikan natin ng isang research natin, pag hindi siya na-aprobahan, is ma-discourage yung mga students. So, kailangan natin sa paggawa ng isang research, we should meron tayong inspirasyon o kaya ng motivation kung bakit natin ginagawa yung isang research. Yun lang po. Thank you.